Hey everybody, it's Phil here and welcome back to Abandoned Oz. Currently standing on Chalmers Street and Devonshire. Just doing an update on the RC Henderson building. Today is Tuesday 30th of May 2023. Demolition has started on the building to to make it safe enough for crew to go in. They're not demolishing the whole building. I hope not anyway. Just enough of it to for it to remain stable. If you remember, there were two walls. One of them's got a nice big chunk out of it, and the other part was pretty well freestanding. Now it's gone. Thought I'd start over here on the worst side at first, and then head over to Elizabeth Street, which is what we're going to do now. Alright, so we're heading over to Elizabeth Street now. Where we'll get a much better view and I'll be able to get some footage of the demolition. As I've been doing, I'll continue to come back each day until they've done what they need to do, and then I'll end up doing more updates of, the dates will be a bit more separated. It won't be daily, maybe once a week or something like that, depending on what's changed and what hasn't changed. But I will come back each day over the next few days at least. This work is meant to take approximately 4 days or so. Once they finish the demolition work and the building is stable enough, crew will be able to go in, clean up, and send the cadaver dogs in to search for any remains. And hopefully that's not the case, but yeah.
Superintendent Adam Dewberry, just on the upper levels of the building opposite the fire-affected building in Randall Street. We've got the slow demolition occurring. It's really interesting in a way that that building, built so many years ago, probably about 100 years ago, all bricks, hand-laid bricks, no doubt, by men that are no longer with us. It really is a tragedy, this piece of history leaving us in Sydney. But fortunately, these demolition experts are working safely. We have seen them using these pieces of machinery, that 60-tonne high-reach excavator, getting in safely. Quite wonderful work as they get in around, slowly getting this building down to render safe so investigations can continue. Another casualty of this fire, not only the building and the adjoining building there, but also some poor bugger's work ute. Had it parked up that afternoon out the front of this fire, out front of this building. Took hold before he knew it. His ute had become exposed in the exclusion zone. His firefighters anticipated this wall to come down. Then it was only 15 minutes or so before this vehicle itself had caught fire. It's a write-off, and I guess to rub salt into the wound of the tradie here, part of the demolition to get down, it's just had a large clump of masonry wall land on it. The excavating team, the demolition people are now pulling it out to salvage what they can for the owner. Just another casualty of this fire. Slow burn, slow drag out, I should say. Pulling it out in the area so the larger excavator can get in, keep pulling down those extended walls, those walls that are hanging above the precarious position. Ironically, some acro props on the back of the rig. It's just another step in this recovery project we're into now, the operation of making it safe. We can get the chute back to its owner so they can go through their process of claiming through their insurers as part of their rehabilitation and recovery efforts.